August 11th. It's a Thursday, the normal PNP cleanup day, and I got them recruited to come down here, and we're going to tackle the King Kaboom today. And oh my, it's a real mess now though. We're going to have to get a boat. And they went and started burning. We'll see if we can snuff that out so nobody chokes. We got to get this cleaned up. So. We need to give him. Hey, get out of the way of the hole there. That would have been near impossible for even Bobby and I to clean out this time. We're all standing around now. We got five or six of them in here pitching in on the segregate and bag it. The boys worked their butts off there. That was quite a bit of work. All done. We're actually going to get a picture of our progress here, huh? And this is only part of it because the other didn't get bagged. So. I think they're proud of it, so they should be. That's a lot of work. 20 people plus, a person a sack. Okay, good. Let's get the picture in here. And we got a vehicle. Salamat kaayo for coming.
Welcome.
Mabuhay. It may be more than this little truck can carry. That's why we need LGU down here, but I think we got more than a truckload. We'll see. They can get quite a bit in that bad boy. You know where we're going?
At the Lagundi.
Yeah, you've been there before then. Okay, I thought so. All right, I'll meet you down there. You didn't bring any men with you. Where's the men? They're coming? Yeah. Okay, well, the basura just right here. And then the bottles can be set back here. Around the corner there. My name's Richard, otherwise known as... I was downtown and talked to Alberto, the head engineer in Department of Public Works and Highways.
Yes, yes.
He dropped your name to me saying you're interested in the canal next to the governor's house.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that's what I'm here to talk to you about.
Yeah.
I don't know how many heads of churches are here. How many is there? How many? Raise your hand if you're a pastor here. We got a lot. Okay, we could organize some small groups in each one of your little areas to do a beach cleanup. It only has to be like an hour. If you have enough people or whatever, just go down to the beach, get some sacks and some gloves,